Okay, example 7. Figure below shows the 3-point charges are placed in the shape of triangular. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant electric force exerted on Q1. Given Q1, Q2, Q3, R12 and R13 also theta. So it give you the figure here. Okay, so it asks you to find the charge. No, it asks you to find the forces, the magnitude and the direction. Magnitude and direction of the resultant forces on Q1. So Q1 is here. So we know Q1 is there. So what we should do first is we find the resultant force on Q1. So Q1 berada di sini. Okay, so we draw first force yang akan Q1 experience, which is 1 and 2. Both is in a different charge, so positive and negative will attract towards each other. So on Q1, we will draw force by 2 on 1, so it is here, and Q3, 1 and 3 is the same, so they will repel towards each other. No, they will repel with each other. So repel, it will go here. So F3 on 1. So if you look here, you tahu you akan perlu resolve sebab ini berada di positive X, ini berada di positive X dan negative Y. So dia bukan berada di komponen yang sama, disebabkan itu kita kena resolve. Okay, this is like the example 4 that I gave you. Alright, so what we should do next is we find the value for F21 by using Coulomb's equation. So F21 is equals to K Q2 Q1 over R21 square. So substitute the values. 9 exponent 9. Q2 is given here positive 3.7 mu exponent negative 6, and 1 is 1.2 exponent negative 6 divided by the distance between 1 and 2 is also given here, 15 centimeter, must be converted into meter. So 1.5 square, so calculate, you will get 1.776 Newton, and we know dia berada di positive X. Right. Next, we calculate the F31. So F31 is K Q3 Q1 over R31 square. So 9 exponent 9. Q3 is negative, but we only put the positive value. Exponent negative 6. 1 is 1.2 exponent negative 6 divided by the distance between 1 and 3, which is 10 centimeter. 1.0 square. So kalau kamu kira, kamu akan dapat 2.484 Newton, dan dia berada di positive X and negative Y. So disebabkan dia bukan berada di komponen yang sama, we need to resolve. So kalau nak resolve, kena ada table X dan Y komponen. Okay, so ini positive X, ini positive X dan negative Y, so tak boleh terus tambah. Okay, so we need to resolve into table. So F21 and F31. Okay, so F21 dia berada di sini, positive X, so positive F21 is positive to 1.776, dan dia tidak mempunyai Y component, so Y component equals to 0. Okay, but for 31 dia berada di sini, both X and Y. So F31 kita akan ada 2.484. Okay, tetanya berada di mana? So kalau kita tengok ini. F21, F31, 3.31. So theta given is here, so dia akan berada di sini theta. So dia berada di y component. So disebabkan dia berada di y component, x component akan menjadi sin. So sin theta is given 32. So kalau kamu kira, kamu akan dapat 1.316, and this one 2 point, so dia berada di negative y, negative 2.484 cos 32, so you akan dapat negative 2.107. So total up, kita akan dapat total force, yang ini tambah dengan yang ini, kita akan dapat 3.092, and this one akan dapat negative 2.107. So ini force in x component, ini force in y component. This is not the final yet, so we have to find the magnitude and the direction. To find the magnitude of force, we need to use the formula square root of fx square plus fy square. So square root of fx, kita ada 3.9092 square tambah dengan negative 2.107 square. So we will get the value of 3.74 Newton. Yang ini baru dapat magnitude, but we need to find the directions. So to find the direction, we use the formula theta is equals to shift tangent modulus fy over fx. So shift tangent modulus fy, negative ignore sebab dia modulus 3.092, so kita akan dapat 34.27 degree below positive x axis. So that's for the example 7. Thank you.